So dedicated sa mga kailangan. Paterno? Paterno?
Napay isa. Ay, napay
Ba,
ba?
kana ba?
Ha?
Kana ba?
Wala na. Last na niyo. Iyaha mo ng tagay. Iyaha ang tagay.
Ano mo man sa gubna?
Iyaha na ay.
Ha?
Iyaha.
Colors of the wind. Manutang ka.
Nanghutdan ng tubig eh, para imo
Ay,
ibasyo dira.
everything you can claim. But I know every rock and tree and branches has a name, as a spirit has a name. You think the only people who are people are the people who look and think like you. But if you walk the footsteps of a stranger, you learn things you never knew, you never knew. Have you ever heard a wolf cry to the blue-colored moon, or asked the grinning bobcat why they grin? Can you sing without the voices of the mountain? Can you bend without the colors of the wind? Can you bend with all the colors of the wind? On the hidden pine trails of the forest, come test the sunset rivers of the earth. Come ruin all the riches all around you, and for once never wonder. Hey, hey, the rainstorms and the river. Hey, and the other one, my friends, and we are all connected to each other in a circle, in a hope that never ends. Have you ever heard the wolf cry to the blue-colored moon, or let the eagle tell you where he's been? Can you sing without the voices of the mountain? Can you bend with all the colors of the wind? Can you bend with all the colors of the wind? How high does the sycamore grow? If you cut it down, then you'll never know. And you'll never heard the wolf cry to the blue-colored moon, for whether we are white or copper skin, need to sing without the voices of the mountain, need to bend with all the colors of the wind. You can own the earth and still, and it's on its turn until you can bend with all the colors of the wind.
Gatag daw sa suklit diri. Gatag daw sa suklit.
Kinsa?
Ato igagam.
Unang ta itong gikawat.
Nang! Nang! Ano man? Ano saan ka? Go! Ang sakit ka ako na record. Abo din. Record. Go! Hindi mo ito gigago nang nagbutang daw siya. Ginawa yan ang record na sa kwartang stay! Wala may time makakanta ta. Jay, sus giatay. Gibulsa. Oh. Gilisan ako ang duwa. May mukaon. Unsa man to? Biskuit nga Skyflex. Bisa nimo. Ako kay balo ni yuyong. Wala ito no gibni. Wala ka na ra ko gibni. Sakit man sa lingag-ngag. Di, mo tagpila itong pareha ra magpresyo. Okay ra. Ilisin ni tawing bi kay di mi mga on-ani. Kay sakit sa lingag-ngag. Unsa man to? Biskuit. Ang duwa ka kuan ba? Kay pa
Wala na kanta.
Wala na.
Mo day kanta kung ipasinsilyo sana unsa may oras.
Uy, napaman taon na pa may coins good.
Wala na uy ay
Wa, ay.
ano pa day 3.
Atay na
Aman.
pero unong pa nakakanta.
Unong kakanta pa nang.
Asa man na
Kasi
naman.
kanta basin miss na miss kita o ayaw sinta.
Uli na raon.
Uli na raon.
Wala siya dira. Dito ra ka. Farewell. Farewell na lang, farewell.
Taon number sa farewell be.
Ayaw lang.
Ayaw.
Ayaw lang. Yo, sa pangita tag Tagalog, noon sa man mo eh.
Kita na kayo. Ayaw lang.
Kuan